A prospective client of mine recently asked me the following question. When more than one attorney represents a client in a legal dispute, can more than one attorney get publicity for their involvement in that legal dispute? In this video, I'll tell you exactly what I told her. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollock. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys and their clients ethically, strategically, and proactively engage the court of public opinion. In this video, how attorneys can double their publicity pleasure when more than one of them is representing a particular client. It's not uncommon for multiple attorneys to represent the same client in a particular legal dispute. In theory, that would pose a problem when one of those attorneys wants to get publicity for his or her involvement in that case with that client. But the truth is, it's not a big deal. It happens all the time. The key for attorneys who are working with other attorneys on a particular matter with one shared client when it comes to the media is to make sure that you divide and conquer your opportunities to speak with the media. So for example, if you're writing a press release about a particular development in your case, you should include quotes from one or more of the attorneys involved in the legal dispute. I would probably stop the number of quotes at 3, but it's fair game to have 1, 2, or 3 quotes in a press release from different attorneys. I know in my own experience for clients, I've gotten publicity for them for the filing of a lawsuit where we had 2 different attorneys quoted in a press release, and news articles, legitimate news articles might I add, ran a story about the lawsuit and included quotes from multiple attorneys. So I'm not worried about that, and you shouldn't be worried either. When it comes to press conferences, instead of having one attorney speak at the press conference, you should consider having more than one attorney speak at the press conference. Same thing with interviews, either after a press conference or in connection with some newsworthy development in a case. You should be thinking, how can we divide and conquer? How can we divvy up these media opportunities so more than one attorney is speaking to the media? This is not rocket science, it's not particularly difficult, but it just requires the attorneys involved in the representation of a particular client to be thinking, okay, well, if we both want publicity, how can we divvy up these opportunities? While on paper, it might seem like having more than one attorney represent the same client could pose a problem when it comes to getting publicity for one or more of those attorneys. I'm here to tell you it's not a problem. All it requires is some forethought on the part of the attorneys who want to get publicity and who want to speak with the media to divide and conquer those opportunities as they come in.